Most people know how to roast a chicken, but when adding flavor to your chicken with spice rub, it will make your dinner even better. This is how I make the brine. Pour the warm water into a container. Add salt or spice berries, black pepper. Stir until salt have dissolved. Then allow the brine to cool to room temperature. Place chicken in the brine, cover and refrigerate overnight. Now let's make the rub by combining the spices, beginning with salt, followed by the cayenne pepper, paprika, chili powder, lemon pepper, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and sugar. Then mix all ingredients together. You can buy pre-made chicken seasoning packs, but I like to make my own spice rub because I can control what goes into it. Now it's time to massage the chicken, but before we do that, we have to pat chicken dry and place on a rack in a roasting pan. And then we start to rub the spice mixture all over the chicken. I even rub under the skin. It is super flavorful and delicious taste every single time. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken in the middle rack and bake for 2 hours or until the internal temperature reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, the chicken is done, but we have to let the chicken rest before cutting. So you don't want to lose all the juice in the chicken. But I can't wait. I have to cut it now. As you can see, the meat is so tender and there's a lot of juice come out.
And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you know when you post a new video. Bye guys!